Okay, so we're doing one jacket for 5 days. I mean, it's not that it's difficult to put on the same jacket every day, but when you have several jackets, of course, you like to rotate them, which I do. And I think a jacket is kind of like the final piece to an outfit. You can of course accessorize if you're wearing a hat or something, something that's louder, that stands out more, that might become the piece. But most times I think the jacket is what stands out. So that kind of sets the tone for everything else, and you kind of have to match everything else with the jacket in a way, in a sense. Of course, you might go somewhere, take the jacket off and so on and so forth. But yeah, it's spring here, and I'm styling these outfits for being outdoors. So I had this idea, I don't know, a month or two ago, that it would be fun to do like a week of just wearing one jacket. And it's not, again, that I can't wear the same jacket every day. I guess it's more that it can become boring. So I thought, let's try it, and let's try to keep it from becoming boring. So that's kind of what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna style it now for the next 5 days, and try to come up with slightly different variations. I've had this jacket for half a year now, and I'm definitely gonna go into my own archives and see what I've worn with this previously, because I had a few good outfits. But I think that the main thing is gonna be, changing the pants, and also, different headwear, because that's what's gonna show the most. And I would say 4 out of 5 days I'm wearing, some darker jeans. So definitely, I'm gonna try some lighter jeans and some different like cargo pants and that kind of stuff. And let's see how it goes. Yeah. But this is not, I'm gonna try to keep it from becoming like a super long video. So I will show you today's outfit first. I took the kids swimming this morning, and this is basically just what I threw on. So I'm wearing, obviously the jacket is from Master Supply Co. It's the Convoy 25. And yeah, it's T-core, quite stiff and heavy. That's another reason why I wanna wear it, because this specific jacket is because, well, I love it first of all, but I also wanna give it a bit more wear to break it in, because it is quite heavy. But yeah, so today's outfit, along with the Convoy, I'm wearing my jeans from Blaumann, and I got a pair of boots from Jim Green. I got a belt from NYX, and shirt is from North Edge, and thrifted scarf I had for ages. Beanie, this one is from Inishman. And yeah, that's it for today. Let's move on to day 2, shall we? All right, we made it day 2. Today the flat cap, the Hatteras by Stetson, is kind of setting the tone. So whenever I wear this, I think it looks great with a knit, and for example, well, jeans too, to be honest. But today I'm wearing some wool trousers these are by Gustin. The sweater is from Bon Guel. And yeah, I just think this is a great look. Could also be with corduroy trousers. Ended up going with boots from Sunman Craft, and we got some black leather gloves from Salso. And that's it. No belt today actually. So yeah, let's move on to day 3. Okay, day 3. I have to admit I wasn't super inspired today, and I almost skipped today because I have a lot of things to do, and also it was kind of raining this morning and quite cold to be honest. But I decided to head out for a little walk. I'm going down to the water, gonna have a cup of coffee there, and let's talk about today's outfit. All right, I made it, got my coffee down by the water. It's not raining, all is good. So I was just about to put my boots on, all dressed, and I almost didn't go because I'm not 100% satisfied with my outfit. So I decided yesterday that I wanted to try to style a pair of, what do you call them, military trousers. That's fine, they go well with the jacket, but then it's still quite cold here. It's only a few degrees over freezing, and it's windy, so spring is kind of, it's a bit slow. So I don't want to be freezing either, so I kind of had to go with a sweater. And even this sweater, it's fairly like cropped, but even then it's hanging outside of the jacket, which kind of bothers me. It might just be me because I've gotten so used to tucking. And then I also wanted to style a hat for one of these 5 days, and I would take this whole outfit and pair it with the jeans I wore on day 1, and then I could have tucked the sweater as well, and it would look way better. But then I didn't want to go back and wear the same jeans over again because, well, this is day 3. I only got 2 left, and I wanted to do something different. But maybe I should have left the hat home and, I don't know, gone with a boring ball cap for this fit. I don't know, but it's a big experiment. I'm not some fashion guru expert, so I'm just trying, and I thought, why not? Let's just go with this. I'm already dressed, and I'm totally open for criticism. So if you want to rate the outfit, let me know. Happy to hear your thoughts. But let's move on to today's outfit. So we got the Convoy by Master Supply Co. as with every day. Then I got boots down below from Jim Green. It's their Meander mock toes. Then I have these military trousers, cargo, that I found secondhand back in January. I actually made a video about that secondhand haul. And initially I thought these would be too short for me, and this is actually the first time trying them on after washing them and everything, and I'm happy to say that they are just about long enough. They could be a little bit longer, but with boots and everything they just about work. And then I have a woolen sweater by Inishman. Then I got a bandana by Felix Green, and then custom hat by Kaira here in Finland. And this was actually my first ever custom hat, and I really like it. It's got a special place to me. It might be just slightly too big for me. It kind of, so I don't wear it as much as I would like to, but I'm trying. But yeah, that's day 3, and see you in day 4. I have to say, it's extremely cold today. Maybe it doesn't look like it, but well, it is anyways. But as always, I have a cup of coffee, so yeah, let's sit down. I think if it's cold out, you just need to dress warmer. And to be honest, this jacket is not the warmest. I would normally have worn a bit warmer jacket, but for the sake of this video, well, you know, I did layer up quite nicely, so I'm actually not cold. Maybe a little bit, but coffee will help. So, as you can probably tell, I decided to go for a pretty much full-on black outfit today. Believe it or not, I'm not a big fan of the whole all black everything. So now I have boots and belt and well, obviously jeans, and normally I would at least have some brown boots and a belt to kind of break it up a little bit. But that's just me, I guess. I guess some people like it, some people don't, some are in between. But yeah, I am a little bit bummed though, to be honest. You can probably tell I'm down at a sports field. It's like 8:30. I just dropped off the kids, and I had planned to bring a basketball and just shoot some hoops as well. But yeah, rushing out the door this morning and just trying to grab everything. I left the basketball at home, but whatever. I got my coffee and yeah. But anyways, let's talk about today's outfit. So I have my black jodhpur boots from Cordobes. Got a pair of black jeans from Lee 101. And underneath I got I have a vest from Bronson, and I got a shirt from Filson, not black, brown. There's some black in there though, black and brown. And I had to break it up a little bit, so I have a green bandana on. It's from Howl the Wolf. Brown sunglasses. I actually don't own a pair of black sunglasses, I believe. Then I have a black belt from Milwaukee Boot Co. Oh yeah. Black coffee cup and black leather gloves. These are like properly lined. These are my like winter gloves. It is that cold today. It's just like 1 degree above freezing. And these are from Sauso. And I even have a black watch on today from Veyer. So yeah, that's it for day 4. I'm gonna drink my coffee and see you for day 5. All right, we made it to day 5. Can you see me? Can you hear me? So it's another cold day here in Helsinki, but the sun is shining, which is super nice, but at the same time, it's terrible for filming, especially when it's 12:30 in the middle of the day. So yeah, I'm at this old train yard that I like to come to every now and then, and basically I'm just hiding between some trains. As you can see, it's quite sunny here. But yeah, today's look. So as you can see, I'm wearing a cap. I kind of wanted to, you know, when I planned this out, I didn't plan all the outfits. I don't know, my brain just doesn't work that way. I kind of like to wake up in the morning and then I decide what I want to wear. I don't know. That's just how I work. Depends on the weather and everything and my mood. But, you know, I had planned that I would wear, first day I had a beanie, then I had a flat cap, then I had a hat, then yesterday I had, well, just my hair, and then today a cap. So that was, you know, something I kind of had in the back of my mind. I would do some different headwear, and then of course I wanted to do different types of pants. I wanted to, you know, to mix it up, to have something different, because that was the whole point, to try to do like a different look every day. Anyways, day 5, last day. Let's walk through it. So I wanted to just do some denim because I love denim. So we'll start at the bottom. I have some washed selvage jeans from Made. Same with the cap. It's a raw selvage cap from Made. Then I have this beautiful shirt by Blaumann. And then actually it's cold today. I have a merino roll neck underneath by Danish company Martinique. And then this one is debatable. I don't know, does it go with the black? Not sure. It's a waxed canvas vest from Ginu. And yeah, boots. I got trusty 719 boots from Jim Green. And we have a watch by Veyer today as well. And that's it for day 5, all the days actually. If you made it this far, I would love to hear from you, of course. Tell me which outfit you like the most, and would you wear it? What would you change, and so on. Also, do you have a T-core leather jacket? Does yours look like mine, or have you had it for 5 years, 10 years already, and you got some nice patina going on? Anyways, yeah, it was a fun video to make, and I got so many more ideas, so I'm gonna keep on filming throughout the whole spring. So stay tuned for the next one, and thanks for watching. Peace out.